Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a hydrating hair treatment using aloe vera, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of eucalyptus oil. Aloe vera helps hair growth by improving scalp health and blood flow. Aloe vera can also be used as a weekly hair mask for hydration. On top of that, aloe vera contains a wealth of vitamins and minerals to strengthen your hair follicles. Mayonnaise stimulates blood circulation, promoting healthier hair growth. The main ingredients in mayo are egg and oil. The high amount of protein in egg helps strengthen and thicken hair follicles. The minerals and vitamins in honey strengthen hair roots and fortify follicles. Use this hair treatment once a week with a shower cap for 30 minutes before shampooing.